What's the meaning of chimney breast? Chimney breast. Chimney breast.
Chimney breast. Chimney breast. A chimney breast is a vertical projection in a room that encloses a chimney. It typically extends up to the ceiling and contains a fireplace or stove. The purpose of a chimney breast is to provide ventilation for smoke and other combustion byproducts. In addition, it can also act as a decorative feature in a room. Chimney breasts are commonly found in older homes, but can also be added to newer constructions for aesthetic purposes. They can be made from a variety of materials such as brick, stone, concrete, or plaster.